It's mild. You should pull over to the first left that you can turn so that we don't miss the sundown, the sunset. Because we're only going to be there for about 2 minutes. Good spot to turn in. Oh, there's too much brush. Right here would be cool.
There's too much, there's a lot of brush there. Just a little bit.
Oh, right here. That lot's for sale. Let's go see if we want to buy it. We'll go see if we want to buy this lot. Totally legitimate. We're going to go look at this lot in case we want to buy it. We're just going to happen to check the sunset while we're here. I hope you just pop my tire. Alright, we're walking up there. Alright. I'm going to open my window. I'm getting out. I'm going to run because you took too long going across the bridge after I told you not to. It's okay. We got another sunset in 24 hours we can do. This is people's property we're walking through. But what if we want to buy it? We want to look at it. It's a little bit of a fixer-upper after Ian, sadly. Actually, I think that's the next property over. This is just empty because Ian took this house right off of its foundation and swept it away. Bathtub's still here though, as is their tile flooring. How sad is that? It's sad. Somebody's shoes are still here. They got swept right out of their shoes, evidently. Alright, we're gonna walk out of here and try to catch the sunset if we can. Okay, here's when it starts, right here.